How to enable fingerprint or Face ID lock on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. On Android, tap the three vertical dots in the top right and then select Settings. On iPhone, the Settings icon is in the bottom right. Now select Privacy, scroll down, and tap Fingerprint Lock on Android or Screen Lock on iPhone. You will then be asked to authenticate with your security system, fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Toggle the switch for Unlock with fingerprint or Require Face ID, depending on your device. You can also set how long WhatsApp will wait before requiring authentication again, immediately, after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, or after 1 hour. Once this feature is enabled, you will need to pass biometric verification to open WhatsApp. Please note, this lock only affects access to the app, it does not protect notifications if they are visible on the lock screen. If you want even more privacy, you can hide notification content from your phone settings. Easy, fast, and very useful, now you can use WhatsApp in complete safety, even if you leave your phone unattended.